Alright, hi guys, welcome to week 9. This week was a very good and bad week. This week I got shown by Trent how to use the QR code, how to understand and use it in the right way that I want to use it, and I'll show you that later. And then we also figured out how we can go from sequence to sequence so that I can get my UI methods in as well, so that when you're playing the game, you're not going to get lost, or you can actually have some responses coming to you before you start the game. Yeah, it's all good. But in that process, I managed to delete everything. All the work that I've been on, except for the scripts, just the sequence, the scene, which is how all the scripts come together and talk together. So I had to go back and remember everything that I did, reshaped a lot of work. So you'll see, finally, I've almost finished piece. It's prototype V1. Everything works except for the mechanism which ends the game, or the puzzle, in fact. But we'll see that in a bit. First, let's go over to Visual Studio, and I'll show you how the QR code works. So, basically, if you didn't know, a QR code is an alphabeticalized code scanner. It actually works through the alphabet in a visual representation. So you can actually get it to spell stuff just from the sticker, and any QR coder will be able to read it. There's no database to it, which is very good. So in this instance, all I need to write is, if the data text is start puzzle, then load scene puzzle 1, which is the first game. That's pretty much how the plugin works. And then I can add other games. If puzzle 2, play puzzle 2. If equals that. You may see for a split second when we go into the game very shortly that it actually will say start puzzle 1, and as it does print it down here. Anyway, let's check out the game. So here's the loading screen that I've made. Aussie's Busy Billy Puzzles is how it's going to be going. Let's just start the game up, shall we? Now I've added a couple of features like this logo animation loading. Hang on, you'll see it loading. It's like a breath almost. Yeah, there we go. It does that for 5 seconds. I've then redone this page so that it also has a button that I've made. It's still a work in progress, but pretty much scan to start. Now scan to start, it brings up the QR code plugin, which is also hooked up to the camera, which is also very nice. Here is the world, my room, and me. Hello. But most of all, we've got the phone. Now the phone has a QR code on it, which will scan start puzzle 1, and then immediately we're in the first puzzle. Whoa, that's pretty good. So yeah, and then turn it behind me and check it out. There's the banana, and if we point at it, the raycast should, set it off, trigger it. Now it's this mechanism that I'm going to be using to go from puzzle to puzzle, and also allow and set the orientation. So that goes off, then comes up with a screen saying hold still, then we see the rocket shoot off with the banana fly, something of that sort, showing you where the next puzzle is. All very well. That banana can be made more accurate if needed by moving it forwards and backwards. Very good stuff. Next solution, of course, is to go through and make this cube, not a cube. Yeah. Make it a cube, take the pencil into Maya, separate the little pieces and make them 3-dimensional so that we can recreate the logo in this sense, and it actually doesn't make, and actually gives you some direction also of where to go. Alright. So that's week 9, guys. Thank you.